guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making something very yummy. The weather outside is becoming sweater weather. I love sweater weather. It's so nice out. So what goes better with that? Chili. This is my favorite chili. You guys are gonna love it. Let's get to those ingredients. 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 cup of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 Anaheim chili, 2 colored bell peppers, 2 jalapenos, 3 garlic cloves, 1 white onion, 3 celery stalks, 3 chili beans mixed, 2 cans of fire roast diced tomatoes, 1 can paste, 1 can crushed tomatoes, 2 cans diced green chilies, 4 teaspoons of beef bouillon, 1 tablespoon of Frank's Red Hot and Worcestershire, 3 ounces of bacon, 2 pounds ground beef, 1 pound sausage, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and unlimited toppings. Alright, let's start off by dicing up the Anaheim chili. We also will be dicing up 1 green bell pepper, and don't forget we have 1 red bell pepper. We're going to chop up 2 jalapenos, and then we have 1 large onion. Chop it up real good. Mince up 3 garlic cloves, and last, chop up 3 celery stalks. Okay, so look, we are going to start off by setting our stove to medium-high heat, which is 375. Go ahead and get that turned on. And then just go ahead and put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pan. You're gonna brown your meat. So once you've done that, we're just gonna cut open our ground beef and our ground sausage. We're gonna drop that in until it's nice and browned, and then we'll start adding our veggies. Okay, so that meat looks nice and brown. Let's start adding the rest of our ingredients. So for the best flavor, I suggest using 2 cans of your mixed chili beans with kidney and pinto in a mild chili sauce, and then use 1 can of the chili beans of just kidney in a spicy chili sauce. Alright, let's move on to all those delicious tomato flavors. We've got your crushed, we've got our diced, and we've got our paste. That diced with the fire roasted, you will love how that brings out the flavor in your chili mix. Alright, so once you get every last drop, give it a good stir and mix those flavors together. Alright, next step, we'll be using diced green chilies in a mild sauce. These are going to give an amazing mild spice undertone into your chili. Okay, so let's move on to our veggies and our bacon. All of these different vegetables will bring so much flavor to your chili, you will love it. And then you cannot forget that bacon, because who does not love bacon in their chili? It's delicious. Okay, so give it a real good stir and smell all those delicious flavors. You'll love it. That beef bouillon will give so much rich flavor to your chili, and then all of these extra spices that you put in are going to make this chili come to life. Alright, so after all this hard work that we put into our chili, we always got time for another cocktail. Alright, so let's blend up these beautiful flavors. Okay, so this looks and smells delicious. But now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this on simmer on low. I'm going to let it simmer for about 2 hours with the lid on. That way all those delicious flavors start to really blend together. And then I'll check back in 2 hours with you guys. All right, you guys, this, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. It's delish. So it's about ready. I'm gonna get a bowl, I'm gonna serve it up. But first, I just wanted to show you a few of my favorite little toppings that I like to put on my chili. Put whatever you guys like, but these are some of my favorites. We got our jalapenos, green onions, some mixed jack cheddar cheese. Gosh, you gotta have the sour cream. Chili pepper flakes for those who want it a little bit spicier. And then those Frito corn chips. Those are always great as a nice topping. So go ahead, get your bowl ready, serve it up, throw your best toppings on it. All right, so here we go. The best part, taste time. Look at this, how delicious all this looks. Got all these great toppings, fully loaded chili. You will not be disappointed. All right, let me get this bite here. Make sure to get that sour cream because it tastes so good when you mix it in. So good. You guys will love it. Hopefully once you make it, you'll be saying, I love it, because it's delicious. So please check out my description. Make sure you check out all the ingredients in the box. It's going to tell you everything you need to make this. Also, while you're watching my video on my channel, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Also, head over to Facebook and Instagram and check out the Jen and Gina show. Take pictures, tag us in it, tell us what you think. Don't forget to check out my next video, guys. See you soon.